It is no surprise that curly hair requires extra care. So if you have been feeling overwhelmed and are struggling to cope with frizzy, unmanageable curls, then here I am, your resident curly hair BFF. Hi guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm going to show you a hair care routine for curly hair. Before I get into the video, if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, then make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. While some curly girls are fine with frizz, and that's totally okay, not everyone is. If you fall in the category of those who absolutely hate having frizzy strands, I'm here for you. Before we get into how to tame the frizz, a quick recap on why curly hair tends to frizz up so easily. So the thing is, curly hair follicles are curved, which makes it harder for the natural oils produced from your scalp to travel down and coat the strands, which can cause dryness, leading to frizz. Which is why it needs more nourishment and smoothing. But you can't go and just pick up any hair product. Reason being, using products not formulated for curly hair will increase the potential for loosening your curls. On the other hand, using products that are specifically formulated for curly hair will help your curls hold their shape properly and don't begin to droop or loosen more than what you'd like. Here's presenting the Dove Beautiful Curls range that will drench those curls in nourishing moisture for smooth, bouncy and shiny curls. This range consists of Dove Beautiful Curls Hydrating Shampoo, Dove Beautiful Curls Restoring Conditioner, Dove Beautiful Curls Deep Moisture Hair Mask, and Dove Beautiful Curls Curl Defining Gel. Now what makes this range better than the other curly hair products is that it contains dry moisture essence and 1/4 moisturizing milk combined with ingredients such as glycerin, which is a humectant that increases and maintains moisture in the hair, thus reducing dryness and frizziness. It also has aloe extracts, which is both a humectant and emollient, so it helps with moisture absorption and retention. Plus it has shea butter, which acts as a sealant, meaning it will keep the moisture locked inside the strands. All of these ingredients when combined together will drench the driest of the curls in a surge of moisture. The cherry on the cake is that the entire range of hair products are free from dyes, sulfates and parabens. So let me show you my curly hair care routine. So I start off by applying a coin-size amount of the Dove Beautiful Curls Hydrating Shampoo on the wet scalp area. Focus on the scalp and first few inches of curls. However, don't scrub throughout the strands as this could cause your curls to become tangled. Instead, allow the product to rinse out completely. You'll notice that while the shampoo cleanses the scalp, it doesn't dry the scalp skin or lengths of the hair. It'll only gently lift away impurities while moisturizing the curls. Once done, rinse with lukewarm water as it'll open up the cuticle and allow moisture to penetrate into your strands. Then I go ahead and squeeze out the excess water from my hair and apply the Dove Beautiful Curls Restoring Conditioner. Now conditioner is your curls BFF. Keep them close and give them enough time together. Take enough conditioner in your palms as per your hair length. Thoroughly apply it starting 2 inches away from the scalp till the ends. Once you've coated each and every hair strand with conditioner, you can start detangling with a wide tooth comb. This conditioner instantly detangles the curls so they break less and are easier to manage later. What I also like to do is I flip my head upside down and squish the hair with water from the ends towards the scalp. So as you push the water conditioner mixture into your hair, you'll notice more curl clumps forming. Make sure to not separate these curl clumps by running your fingers through them. Once you step out of the shower, use a 100% cotton t-shirt to soak up the excess water. The fibers of the t-shirt are far softer than a towel that might end up causing breakage. So grab an old t-shirt or steal one from your dad, brother or boyfriend. Use it gently to squeeze out excess water from your hair and wrap your hair in it till it dries. I guarantee you'll see the difference. Now I'm going to use the Dove Beautiful Curls Curl Defining Gel. Pump some of the curl defining gel onto your palm and apply it on damp, not wet hair. Scrunching in an upward motion. Then just allow the curls to air dry and watch how bouncy it looks. This gel will help lock in moisture and increase curl definition, reduce frizz and tangles, and will make it easier to work your comb or your fingers in your natural hair without breakage. Now I go ahead and do finger coiling, which is a method where you simply have to use fingers to curl, twirl or coil your hair. So I'll pick small 1-inch sections of the hair and twirl them from roots to tips. Alternate the twirling direction to give your coils a natural look. Continue this process until all your hair is coiled. A right hair mask will deeply nourish and moisturize the hair and revitalize them. It will make the hair bouncy and vibrant and will enhance your curls and tame frizz. So this is the mask that I'm going to be using. It's the BeBeautiful Curls Deep Moisture Hair Mask. Spread between hands and apply from mid-length to ends. It works like a repair treatment to deeply nourish every strand and control frizz from within. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then rinse it off. As a tip, I'd like to mention that for curly hair, you should use a hair treatment mask at least once a week. But if your hair is too dry or damaged, you should apply the mask twice or even thrice a week. So guys, I hope you like this video on hair care routine for curly hair. These products and the tips that I mentioned guarantee perfect curls, so do try them out. Before you leave, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye.